Done with the help of K-map? Did you get the answer? Hello? Hmm? Right. Done? Has anyone done? Hello? Good afternoon. Can you observe the board? Can I get some feedback from your side so that I can get started? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Am I clearly audible?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, no? Okay, so now let's get started with the Quinn-Mikulski. I hope everyone has solved this problem using a K-map. Let's see whether your answer matches with what we derive with the help of a Quinn-Mikulski method. In the last session, we had the introduction of a Quinn-Mikulski method. It has all been invented for the sake of computational entities can perform their tasks on this kind of a methodology. K-map, on the contrary, we have observed that it is a skill that has to be developed by the observer. Okay, whoever has been trying to solve with the help of a K-map is supposed to have that kind of understanding, and we cannot put that in a algorithm. Okay, and for that purpose, a new method was been invented by the scientist pair, Quine and Mikulski, and they were trying to implement this for the computerization. A program can be written for this. Okay, this was the biggest advantage. The second advantage is that K-map get complex and complex as we move beyond the 4 variable K-map. Okay, if I have to draw a 5 variable K-map, then I might have to draw 2 boxes of 4 by 4. And let's say if my function is f1 is of 5 variable a, b, c, d, and e, then I'll get this lower 4 for this 2 boxes. So I'll get b, c, d, e, and over here also b, c, d, and this a is when a was 0 and when a was 1. So I have to solve 2 K-map for 5 variable. As I increase one more variable, okay, so if I increase one more variable, the number of K-map required will be increased. Now instead of 2, I have to go for 4 K-map solving, and then I have to observe that which of these terms are constant and can be minimized. So this is a bit tedious. So for that sake, we have started off with the Quinn-Mikulski. Now let's understand what is an Quinn-Mikulski. Now, what he proposed is, first you write all the main terms in its Boolean terminology. Okay, and we have to get them in a group of indexing of a number of 1. That is what we have done in our last session. Okay, so over here I'll make a table. Okay, and this is index. Okay, and in this short column I'll write min term. Okay, if I say my index is 0, then which min term that can be covered in this? When my index is 0, the number of ones in a given min term is 0. Which min term satisfies this kind of a condition? Hello? The number of ones are 0 in this. How many variables do we have? We have 4 variables. I'll just write A, B, C, and D. Now look at min term 0. As I write min term 0, count the number of 1 present in this. The number of 1 present in this are 0. That's why it has been indexed as an 0. Okay, this is min term number 0. So I'll just write 0 over here. Okay, any other possible min term which can be covered in this index value? Nothing. No one can be covered because all of them at least have presence of at least 1. So I just close this. I just draw the line. Okay, let's say now index value is 1. Now we have to identify from this min term the corresponding value such that the combination of A, B, C, D is at least having presence of 1. Okay. Now this is, so let's take example of 1. How do we write 1? Is 0, 0, 0, 1. You can count. 3 zeros are there, single 1. That's why the index number is 1. Min term value is 1. Any other possibility with this? Any other possibility in index 1? Hello?
0, 0, 1, 0.
0, 0, 1, 0. That is nothing but 2. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0. Next. Any further possibility?
0, 1, 0, 0.
0, 1. Where is 0, 1, 0, 0?
Yes.
0, 1, 0, 0. How much this value is?
4.
4. But min term 4 is not present in this list. Okay, so we have to discard this. We have to look from this list the min term which has been given for minimization and then write over here. Identify in a group of 1. Okay. Any other value?
1 0 0 0.
Yes, I'm only been listening one voice.
1 0 0 0.
1 triple 0. Yes. How much that become? 8. It is at present? Yes. So 8 is present. So how much we have covered? We have covered 0, we have covered 1, we have covered 2, and we have covered 8. Okay. Should I close down this loop now? Let's find out with the index value 2. Okay, index
0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1, 1. That is
0,
nothing
0,
but
1,
3.
1.
right? So 0, 0, 1, 1. Mean term value is 3. Next.
0
0,
1
1,
0
0,
1.
1. Which one is there?
0101.
5. 0, 1,
5.
0, 1. That is nothing
5
but 5. Very good. Next. So 3 is covered. 5. 1, 1,
1 1 0
0, 0. How much is that? 12. 12 is there in a list. So I'll just pick it. Any other? One
1
0
0
1
1 0.
0. How much that become? 1 0
10
1 0. Very good. So I'll get 10 in the list. 13 is possible? Check.
30
I'll just write 30. Not possible. So 10 is covered. Anything else that can be covered in index value 2?
no sir.
I hope you are getting what is an index and what is a mean term value. Okay. Should I increase the index value by 1? Let's try with index value 3. The count of number of 1. Okay. Here it was 0. It is 1. It is 2 in this case. I want 3 in this case. So first I'll just write as 7. Very good. So
Mean
I'll
term
get
7.
0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 7 is covered. I'll just tick 7. Next. 13.
1 1 0 1.
13.
13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. 13, no? Correct? So this becomes 13. Any other possibility? I guess all entire thing has been covered. 15. How much is the index value for 15? Index value for 15 is
1 1 1 1.
index value. I'm asking.
4. 4. 4.
4. The count of number of ones are 4. Do you have any difficulty up to this point? As I have developed this chart, any query up to this point? Anything that I can help you with, or anything which you did not get, simply did not get? Anything? Like how I have grouped it, why I have drawn this horizontal line, why I'm making this section, anything? No? Should I proceed? Hello? Are you like sleeping? Have you copied this in your book? Should I proceed? Yes or no? Quickly?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now this is a step 1 of this process. Okay. Okay, step number 1. I'll just make it italic 1 so that it can be identified. Okay, now what is the step 2? Step 2 is to group them together if the two mean terms are having the difference in their position by only single bit variation. Okay, understand this. That's very important. That if the corresponding entities have been matching by 3 positions and only one bit has been varying, then that variation in a bit can be put by or indicated by a dash. Okay, for example, okay, I'll just make a second list now. I'll just start preparing the second list. The header of a column are as it is, index, mean term, and the values A, B, C, D. Okay, the format of a table is as it is. Sorry. Now in an index 0, we had the mean term 0. Now observe this. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now this mean term, I have to find out the combination in such a way that three combinations or three bits are supposed to be matched, and one value or one position has to vary. Okay. For example, I'll just write 0 and 1. Observe this two. First and second row. Okay. First, second, and third element. Observe this. These elements are fixed, constant. There is no variation in it. So I'll just write over here 0, 1. Okay. Now observe, I'm not writing only 0 over here. I'm writing 0, 1 with A, B, and C value as 0, fixed. Okay, there is no variation in this. What about D? D is moving by 1 bit. Okay, as it is moving by 1 bit, I can say that they are neighbor, and I can reduce the value of D. Okay, so to indicate this reduction and to make them as a one pair, okay, I'll be putting over here a dash. Still, the index of this term is C, 0, 0, 0. There is no presence of 1 in it. Okay, 1 has been replaced by this dash value, and now I have pair of 0, 1. Likewise, I can get a pair of 0, 2 and 0, 8. Can you tell me what are those pairs? 0, 2. Where the dash will be now?
C.
C. Observe this. 0 constant, 0 constant. Okay, 0 constant. I'm just simply writing down A as 0, B as 0, D as 0. Okay, observe C. What is happening over here? C is 0 and 1. So moving by single bit. Okay, now this is what we used to do in a K-map also. Okay, in a K-map, variation in by one position, reduce the bit. Okay, so 1. So this becomes dash. Next. Next, please. 0, 8. A has to be changed. Okay, observe this. Okay, so A is dash 0, 0, 0. Any other pair possible? Any other pair possible which could be a neighbor of 0? Anything. Take a value of a 0 and club it, make a pair with 3. How many position variation are there? 0, constant. 0, constant. First variation. Second variation. How many variation do we want? By one position. But here we have 2 position variation. So discarded. Okay. Every time you have to look forward to 1 position variation. Try with 0, 5. Possible? No, A is constant, but B is varying, D is varying, C is constant, which means 2 position variation. The conclusion is, whenever we are looking into the index value 0, the pairs are found in next index term only. You cannot find a pair in a next to next entities. Okay, this isn't possible. Now let's increase the index value by 1. Let's increase the index value by 1. And I'll take the first element as 1. Okay. Now tell me what possibly could be the pair of 1.
3.
1 comma 3. Tell me the position. Tell me the position. What should be there? 0, 0, dash 1. Is it correct? Is it correct? 1 comma 3. Observe this. Constant, constant, varying, constant. So all the constant I have written over there. Only thing whichever has been varying, I have put it by dash. Can you find next pair?
5.
Next. 5 and 1.
5.
1 comma 5, no?
Yes.
Combination. Combination quickly. I'll just
0 dash 0 1.
0 dash 0 1. Very good. Next. I have to go back, then observe, then I have to come back over here. Instead of that, you can tell me at the same point. Next.
2 and 3.
2 and 10.
2 and 3. 2 and 3, and someone just said 2 and 10. Find out the position for this. Make a note and tell me for 2 comma 3 how it is that?
0 0 1.
0 0 1 dash. For 2 comma 10, 2 comma 10. 2 comma 10 is a pair. Yes, it is a pair. What is the combination for 2 comma 10? Quickly. Yes. What is varying? I guess value of A has been varying. Check. Value of A for 2.
Dash 0 1 0.
Okay. 2 is 0 and for 10 it is 1. Okay. So I'm getting dash 0 1 0. Any other combination?
8 10.
8 and 10 is also possible. Very good. What should I write?
1 0 dash 0.
1 0 dash 0.
1 0 dash 0. Next.
8 12.
3. Where is 3 over here? And 12. 3 and 12.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 and 12 is not possible.
8 12.
8 and 12. 8 and 12 is possible. Yes. 8, 12. What should I write?
1
1
dash 0
dash
0.
0.
1 dash 0 0.
7 and 15. 7 and 15.
No. We are only been looking at the combination of index value 1. Index value is 1. So count of 1 should be how much? 1. Check. 1, 1, 1, 1. Are you getting my point? Index value
Yes,
currently is 1 only. Okay, we are not moving further. Any other combination possible with the index value 1. All the pairs of 1 are being covered. All the pairs of 2 are being covered. All the pairs of 8 are being covered. Is that true? Is it any
3
possible?
7. 3 and 7.
How much will be the index value for that?
2.
2. So should I close this and write index value 2? Okay, let's close this. Let's make index value as 2. And what is the first pair? 3 comma 7, no? Yes. Now tell me, what is the position? 3,7. Position? Where is 3?
0
Over
dash
here.
1 1.
0-1 1. Very good. So I'll get 0-1 1. Next. Next.
530.
5. No. First finish off with the 3, no? What is possible with 3? Is anything possible with 3? No. We have 7 and we have 13. Not possible. So 3 is fully covered. 5.
5 and 7.
5 and 7. So first pair is 5 and 7. So 5 comma 7. Okay. Then 5 comma 13 is possible. I guess it is possible, right? So 5 comma 13. Now for 5 comma 7, what is the, I guess, where do we have 5 comma 7? 5 over here, 7.
Dash 101.
0-1 dash 1.
0-1-1.
0-1 dash 1. Okay, that is for 5 comma 7. 5 comma 13, I guess dash
Dash 1 0.
101. Very good. What are the pairs still left? What are the pairs that are still left with the index value 2? Okay, 3 is covered, 5 is covered, 12.
18.
12 and 13 is possible. 12 and 7 is possible? No. 12 and 13. So next pair is 12 and 13. I need a space. Let's just make a space over here. I'll just clean it out. Okay, you can write down below this. Okay, I'm just continuing this index value as 2. And next pair is, what is that pair? 12 comma 13, no? Is it visible? 12 comma 13 is visible? This position? Hello? Is it visible on a top of a board?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
okay, na? If I write over here? Okay, what should I write? For this 0 comma 12 comma 13. 12 is here, 13 is here. 1 1 is fixed. 1 1 0 dash.
0 dash.
1 1 0 dash.
1
Very
0
good. Next, is it possible with 12 with any other? No. 10. 10 with 7, not possible. 10 with 13. It is having a 2 position difference. Okay, so I cannot have 10 in it. So I'll closing index value 2 with this. Now index value is 3. Okay, so you have to pair from this to next. That is 7 comma 15 possible?
Yes,
And
sir.
13 comma 15. So I'll just write 7 comma 15 and what we have 13 comma 15. Tell me this. What should I write for this? Dash 111 and for 13 1 1 dash 1. The count of ones are 3. Okay, you can check. Now for index value 4, is there anything that we can pair? Above 15 there is nothing. Okay, if I have 5 variable system, then I might have this combination. So as all the entries from the first table has been covered, including this value 15. Okay, so my index value are stopped at valuation 3. Any doubt in preparing this entire table? Anything that you did not get or you want to ask? Nothing? How much time do I have? I will still have 10 minutes. Any query? Yes? Now, if there is no query, can I move on to repeating the step 2? Okay, only in this case, the reference table will be kept is this one. Okay. Now, I hope you have copied down the first table, so I'm just clearing it out. Okay. I'm just making the same table again. Okay. Index, then mean terms. Okay. Now index is 0 currently. Now find out that which of this can form a quad, can form a group of 4, okay, with the index value 0. For example, okay, observe, this is, let's say, the first pair we have. I'll just write 0, 1. Now 0, 1 can be grouped with some other entity, possibly. Okay, observe this. This is the first row and this is the row which I want to look forward. What is happening? Dash is constant. My first priority is that the dash should be constant. Second, apart from the rest all, only one position variation should be present. Okay. Now, as the dash are constant, I have left with the 3 positions. That is nothing but A, B, C. Out of this, I want 2 to be constant. So, 0 constant, 0 constant. C has been changed to 1. So, I'll be pairing this 2, 3 with the 0, 1. So, I'm getting a list now: 0, 1, 2, 3. As I have said, I'll write dash first. Then afterward, I'll evaluate the position of A, B, and C. What I found, A and B are constant. So 0, 0. What about C? C has been varying. So I'll just write dash. You're getting my point? Yes? Any further possibility of a pair of a 0, 1 is there? There is no dash for D onward. Okay, so I think 0, 1 has been covered. I'm just marking it as cross so that I don't have to overlook. Now find out 0, 2. Can 0, 2 be paired with something else?
1,
0, 0, 2 can be paired with what? 1, 3?
1, 3.
1, 3. What will happen? What will happen?
0,
C
0,
is a
dash.
dash. Okay, C is dash already. I'm not changing that. What is constant? A and B are constant. Again, 0, 0, dash, dash. Did you see the magic? What is happening? 0, 1, 0, 1 and 2, 3 were becoming a neighbor. which means 0, 1, 2, 3. And here also 0, 2 and 1, 3. These two are different pairs, but the elements are same. That's why the valuation which you are deriving is same. Okay, see, the order is different. This one is been paired with the second one. 0, 2 is been paired with 1, 3. Order is different, yet the representation is constant. Next pair, please. Next pair is possible.
0 to
0 to 8, 10. Very good. So I'll get 0, 2, 8, 10. Positions
dash 0
dash 0.
dash 0. I'm only been hearing 3 voices. As only 3 people are present in my class. I'm just worried. Next pair, please. 0, 2, 8, 10. I guess all the combination of dash has been over. Now next is 0, 8.
0 8 10 to 10
0, 8,
to 10
2, 10. Position, please. Dash
dash
constant.
0 dash 0
Dash 0. The same thing that has been happened with the first two pair. These two are again describing the same. Okay. Next. Is there any other possibility with this dash? No? Should we close? Close it, done. Index value as 1. Okay, you have to look into this pair and find out the combination with the next slot.
1 3
Let's
3
start with 1, 3,
3 7 5 3 7
1, 3, 7. 3. 1, 3, 3, 7. Please observe that the dashes are at different location. Okay, at this position it is at C, it is at B, which cannot be matched. First rule is match the dash. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Try with that.
5 7
Okay, tell me the values. The values would be
0 dash
0 dash dash 1. Is that correct? It's possibly 1, 3. Okay, it has only one dash which is present in this covered. Okay, there is no other possibility. Now 1, 5.
3
Dash is
7.
present at position B. Dash is present at B. So 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. I guess the pair is same, so I'll get the dash pattern as same. Okay, so I'm not calculating even. Next. Dash is at this position. Is there any dash? No. Okay, so 2, 3 does not have a pair in next slot. 2, 10. Dash is present, dash is present. What is possibility? Dash, dash, not possible because it is varying by 2 position. Is it possible? 2, 3 and 5, 13. Are they pair? Can I do this? 2, 3. No, sorry. 2, 10, 5, 13. This one. Can I declare them as a pair? No.
no
No. Very good. Next. Eighteen. Where is the dash? At this position. 8, 10, 5, 7. Possible?
No.
There is 2-bit variation. Okay, 1 is changing to 0, 0 is changing to 1. So 2 position variation. We want only 1 position variation. So not possible. Okay, next 8, 12. 2 positions. Straightforward 2 positions have been varying. We want only 1 bit variation. So discarded. Okay. Now, which of these pairs or which of the mean terms have not been covered? That we have to identify first. 5, 13. Where is 15? 15 is over here. Sorry. Over here, is it any possibility with 12, 13? With 12, 13. See, the dash is over here at position D. Over D. 2, 3. Not possible. Nothing. Is there any possibility with this? No. Now, which mean terms have been covered? 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So this pair is covered. 1, 3, 1, 5. Then 2, 3 is not. 2, 3 is earlier covered. 2, 10. It's covered. 8, 10 is already covered. 8, 12. 8, 12 did not been covered. Okay. It's not been covered in first list. It's not been covered in second list. So I'll just copying down 8, 12. Okay. 1 dash 0, 0 because the index value is 1 and it does not been covered earlier. Okay. Now let's increase the index value by 1. Let's make it 2. Now find out the pairs. We have to look into this slot. This is the index value 2 up to this point and it has to be grouped with 3.
5, 7, 13, 15.
First is 5, 7, 13, 15. I'll just write 5, 7, 13, 15. Okay. Position of A, B, C, D. Can you tell me?
Dash
Okay.
1.
C is already dashed. Right, no?
Dash 1. Ha. Yes.
But okay. Then next dash is at A. Right? Am I correct? Dash
Yes.
1 dash
1.
1. Next pair, please.
5, 13, 7, 15.
5, 13, 15,
7. 7, 15.
7, 15. Sorry, I have just changed the order. I guess the numbers are same, so you'll get the pattern as same.
Yes.
Dash 1 dash 1.
Yes, so I'll just dash 1 dash 1. So there is no change. Next, please. Possible? Is 513 is possible? 513 is already covered, no? 57 is already covered. 37 is not possible. 12, 13, not possible. So, is there any mean term that we have not covered? Have we covered 3, 7 earlier? 3, 7 is covered earlier. 5, 7 is covered. 5, 13 covered. 12, 13. Have we covered 12, 13?
No.
No. So should I copy 12, 13? I'll just copy it as it is. 1, 1, 0, dash. Okay, this was 513, 715. Huh? Okay, so 15 is already covered. Okay, all the elements 7, 15, 13 and 15 have been covered in this slot. Now I am not increasing the index value by 1. Okay, so it has been reduced. I'm just not covering 3. Do I have to cover index value 3? I don't think so, because I have covered all the main terms. Do you have any doubt in this process now, up to this part? Yes? Hello? No? Okay. Now just copy it down quickly, make a screenshot, and then copy it down after some while. But make sure you have the copy of this, preserve the copy of this, because this problem is half done. Okay, we have only covered step number 1, step number 2. Step number 3 is yet to be covered. Okay, so make a copy available with you whenever I am there for the next session of a digital circuit. I hope you can do this. Okay, I'll be starting off with this table only. Okay, I'll not be even discussing the first 2 tables. Okay, at that point you should not ask the doubt regarding the first 2 sessions. If you want to ask me anything about this. Okay, at this very much point. Okay, I'll be very happy to answer all your queries. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to ask a query. In the meantime, I'll just save your attendance. Okay, so don't leave the class, and if you have a query, you can ask. Yes, now is it clear? Yes. Okay. So this is complete NAND gate. See, we have seen many examples. You have to draw it in the microgrid. Yes. I will put to them an assignment, and you have to upload there.